Welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use the K-means classifier in IDQ Pro. This feature performs classification of 3D datasets using K-means clustering-based volume segmentation algorithms. Two types of K-means classifiers are available: a slice-based clustering K-means classifier, or frame-to-frame classifier, and the global clustering K-means classifier, which is the entire data cube. To start, you'll want to open an image and navigate to the Machine Learning tab and click K-means classifier. You'll then be given the two options. We'll start with the slice-based. This dialog window will appear. You'll be prompted to enter the number of expected clusters, and the default number is 2. You'll also enter the number of iterations. We'll say 6 clusters and keep 20 iterations, and click Apply. The process is now complete. Each color in the updated image corresponds to a different class. You can use the band channel slider here to look at different slices. The number of the labels on the color bar is identified automatically. Next, you'll go back to the Machine Learning tab and click on K-means Global Clustering Classifier. You'll be prompted to enter the same information as before, and you'll click Apply. The process is now complete. Since the algorithm is global across all bands and channels, the changes in the band channel slider position will not affect the image. K-means clustering is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm. It is the fastest and most efficient algorithm to categorize data points into groups, even when there's very little information available about the data. IDCube employs K-means algorithm that chooses the initial values, or seeds, for the K-means clustering algorithm. The procedure initializes the cluster centers before proceeding with the standard K-means optimization iterations. For more information and for references, visit idcubes.com/documentation.